Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the Tabernatism. Today we are going to be playing Sniper Duels with Lizzie, Moon, and Sleepy.
Let's see how cooked we are.
Oh my goodness.
We got this.
Nothing's loaded in for me. Okay, that's wonderful. Yeah. Yo, I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked.
Oh,
Sleepy, come here. Come on, cool.
Oh, my.
Sleepy, don't you knife me. Don't you knife me.
I like knifing.
Oh.
Stop it. Oh my, what is my aim?
There you go.
Said my controller died mid-match.
Oh no! Yo, I might not be as cooked as I thought. You ain't snapping me, dog. Get knife. Get knife. Yo!
Oh God, why can't I
Where's my knife hitbox?
There's a knife hitbox?
I don't know. There
aim?
is.
Oh my God.
Dog dookie.
Why can't I aim?
She's for 735.
There we go.
Fuck. Told you I have that reach with my knife for some reason. Not today.
What?
Hey.
What are we on?
I don't know what adrenaline I'm on right now. Hi, Moon. Oh, yo.
Stop everyone.
You scared me.
Yoking. Wow.
Not saying it. Not
The way my jaw dropped.
Oh?
she was
I know you
floating.
saw that.
Okay, one thing I should say, please do leave Sleepy for last because I don't know if their sleep thing is working. So
So that's what we're doing.
yeah.
I'm sorry. Quit trying to put me with the knife. What?
There we go.
No, I got 100 on that. What are we on?
Cocaine apparently.
Stop being
Or some type of drug. I don't know.
not good for you.
I Kisser said it's so fired.
Yoking. What's up?
I don't know how I missed that.
Leave Sleeps for last. Damn.
Oh no, she shot me.
Oh. I didn't know that. Not bad. Yo, who shot me?
That was all Moon. That was all Moon.
Damn, Moon.
My
Okay.
PlayStation might explode after this.
Did you see that wall jump?
Yo, I cannot think I lost my teammate.
Um,
Yo, Moon, what's your aim?
damn. Okay. Oh, good.
I'm so cooked.
Oh, I'll take Sleepy.
I Kisser said I can't even move.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure I have a very shitty Chica one.
No, I didn't. I'm lucky lagging too.
Ooh, that's Sleepy.
Oh, cook him.
Wow.
Damn.
He was floating again.
Cook him.
I don't know how I did that, but I did it.
You cook them, I guess.
So I got this. Bro.
No.
Bro, what?
I'm so cooked.
What? You weren't even recording it.
Oh, that was my mommy. Ooh, I fell.
Where? Oh. Wait, I got this.
Yo, gang.
Sleepy is actually there. Kind of.
Not today, Satan. Not today, Satan.
Sleepy,
And
come on.
Not today, Satanas.
both of them just got raped in the ass.
With my knife.
Yeah.
If it wasn't obvious, my knife happens to be my strongest weapon here.
Bro.
Oh, Val. Oh, Val.
Because it takes so long for me to shoot. I'm sorry, Lizzie. I'm just not. I fit on this map, apparently. Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, I've become more of a gremlin when I'm like sick. It happens, you know.
I'm so scared.
Why are you scared? You're kind of cooking us right now.
Oh man, I wanted that shot.
No mercy.
Where are you?
I've been following you guys this entire time.
Yo, gang. We're good.
I'll be like, I've been trying to get to y'all. Y'all kept running away from me.
Yo, gang. What?
I can't see.
Did that knife like go?
I can't see.
Where did that knife go?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all can't do this.
Oh, now I shoot when I can't. When I'm not even.
Your moon. Oh my.
Ooh, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
You shit. Wait.
You got that.
What are my reflexes here? For a hot minute, I thought I lost my gun. Not my gun, my knife. I was gonna say I'm so screwed if I don't have a knife.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
What? 75 for that? I call bullshit on this.
I call bullshit on everything.
Agreed. I got this, trust.
I call bullshit on myself.
What? What are we on?
I sleep.
Okay, yeah, I was struggling to switch to my gun.
And I was just struggling. Bro, why can't I hit that? Okay. Fuck me.
Okay.
I Kisser said my poor PlayStation.
No.
Hey! Let's go!
Let's
Come on!
I call rematch. Same partners.
Same
My partner's gotcha.
I bet.
Different maps, same partners.
Just says something.
That does say something.
I'm munching on these cough drops like they're snacks.
Got this, bro.
Yo! You got this, Val.
What? Moon?
Never mind.
Moon?
We
That
don't
was
got this.
sleepy. That was sleepy.
Why
That was sleepy.
That shot me.
That was sleepy who shot you.
Yeah, but still, why do you have to back shot me?
You got this.
Okay.
Please, where are you? Oh, damn.
Good
Never
job,
mind.
sleepy.
I gotta restock on a cough drop. Yogi.
Bro, okay. Stop. Oh my god, I can't. She's floating! How am I supposed to knife that?
Oh, I think she crashed.
Oh, I think so too.
Oh no. Damn. Damn.
Alright.
Alright. We don't gotta go
Goodness
that far.
gracious.
Yeah.
You might be carrying me this time. What the fuck?
Yeah, no. I ain't playing this shit. No. Where are you at?
We're good. I get them low, you shoot them. Gotcha.
I'm gonna bend you over so hard.
Oh, okay.
My hands were like shaking bad. It's the adrenaline in my veins, dog. Yo, gang.
I Kisser said Moon might murder me after this.
Oh, I'm out of bullets. Hold on. Wee. I didn't mean hold on. I'm sorry. Wrong word.
I tried knifing her, it didn't work. I suck at it. Oh, what's going on?
Yo, I'm lagging. Wait, I'm actually lagging here.
No, you're not.
Oh, never mind. No, because sometimes he would like teleport
Why is the
around
knife
me.
So bad.
Huh?
Why is the knife so bad?
I don't know, man. I asked my gun that same question, honestly. Yo!
What? She wasn't even near me! Moon, I'm gonna shoot that knife off your ass.
Okay, yeah. I was not winning that one.
I Kisser said we should have just played Murder Mystery loudly crying.
I love murder mystery.
I haven't actually. I don't think I've played Murder Mystery. I'm not sure though.
Oh, what is this? Yo!
Sleepy!
Ooh, sleepy got your ass.
Sleepy! You bitch! This is why I go for Sleepy.
I'm all moving face.
Oh, that was very bad lag. Watch out for Sleepy. He's gonna fucking me again.
Well, that's if she can aim.
Yeah, true.
Come on, sleepy.
Yo.
Sleepy, I mean it.
He
Come on.
got me, so
And I don't think Sleepy can really do anything against my nothing right now.
Sleepy, careful.
you it's hard to knife in there.
There you go.
I tried.
Look, no one can win against my knifing
I
most of
just
the
saw
time.
it from Sleepy's point of view.
What did it look like?
Oh. What?
There we go.
Okay, damn. Damn, I didn't have to do anything. I could have just stood still. My bad. Oh my god.
Damn.
Damn. This time you cured me. Damn.
Yeah, that's surprising.
Nah.
Cooking, y'all.
Oh,
Why would you ever want crafted?
we're on crack? What?
Apparently.
Yay! I mean,
Not at all what I said, but okay.
I wish I was on crack. Fuck!
You gotta kill the sniper. You gotta kill the papa.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh goddamn! What was I supposed to do? I had to.
That's kind of hard, huh?
What's on our
I Kisser said we're so fucked.
Nah, not that sniping bullshit.
I'm gonna no scope instead of.
Oh shit. Can you win a gun sniper, bro?
Sleepy, get over here! What the fuck? You weren't near me!
12. Oh my god!
Damn! She didn't even move!
What?
Okay,
She didn't fucking
I
move!
think the lag is helping her, not gonna lie. I'm not
Oh,
complaining.
Hold
Like,
on! What is... Hold on! What the fuck? No, I'll show you this
Okay.
later. But my gun wasn't even in my hand!
Oh?
It was moving up and down! I don't know what was going on!
what?
Like, why is it so bright?
Yeah,
Yo,
no
sniper
real.
duels, but it's scuffed.
Ooh, bitch.
Do you really want to come on the floor? Ah!
Yes, I
Never mind,
did.
you do.
I
I lied. I lied. I respect you for that one.
About coming?
Not like that, bro.
I swear
like that,
just
bro.
heard something about coming.
Oh.
What about them?
About coming? I didn't do it. Fuck.
Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground.
Oh,
Stand your ground.
no!
Oh, damn.
What is this shit?
Never mind.
You guys aren't even near me!
I Kisser said, yeah, I'm cuming everywhere, cuming you.
I see you, bro.
Nicely moved. Oh my god! I'm gonna shoot myself.
Oh, don't.
No, it's
Hey, you
happening
have that.
now.
That's all you need.
Yeah, see, it's hard, right? It doesn't feel good, right?
But doesn't feel good?
Did they cut
Having a player I'm
I'm
able
harder.
to play.
Really? I see you. Oh shit.
Don't worry, my aim is ass.
Oh
My
my.
knifing's
I'm
good.
lagging. I'm lagging so bad. Oh my god.
Yo, my game. Yo, my game.
I'm bending you over so hard. Oh my god.
The moon, I'm bending. No, Lizzie, I'm bending you over.
Oh. Okay, come up. Come on.
Whoa! Hold on, what?
Come on.
Please, Sleepy, I'm begging you.
Oh my god. She's
I'm
standing
ass
still.
with my knife, dog.
Genuinely standing still.
Yeah!
Because I'm trying not to get shot by her. She has better aim than me, I'll say
I
that.
Kisser said I can't move.
Munch a munch. Ah!
Oh! Damn!
Yeah, you took 70 from me already, which is why I'm surprised you weren't coming after me.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Oh,
What?
damn.
I shot you first!
That's all you.
I give up, bro. Give up.
No!
You want to do 4v4s now?
We could do 4v4.
Please.
It's like shooting someone in a wheelchair going after me.
That is it.
Okay, 4v4.
We got 4v4 going.
We got.
Yay!
Oh god.
Please load. I'll kill myself.
Oh. What are we thinking?
I'm not doing that.
No,
Fuck.
it's 4v4s. Oh, that's gonna suck. Okay, yay, block out.
How cooked are we? Not cooked.
Someone
I'm
try
more
to
cooked
snipe.
than
Fuck.
Yo,
That's
we're
so
so fucked.
weird.
Oh my god, we're
No, it's all computer players. Moon, Lizzie, it's all your fault.
What?
It's all your fault.
Kissa said, I can't wait to get jacked off in a corner.
Why'd I miss that? Why'd I miss that? Got this crap. Fuck, man.
I almost knifed one of them. I almost knifed the 148 player, bro. Let me know.
I'm out of fucking ammo.
Turn back, go sleep.
I'm about to die.
I have one bullet and he's sniping.
What are we doing? Why wasn't I sliding? You fucking bitch!
Oh, damn.
I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, I'm pulling up old man.
Yo, I swear this guy
on here.
this guy needs to hop off, actually.
I was getting 1v4'd. What the fuck? Okay, let's try this again. Go in group of 2, each side. Lizzie, right. Lizzie. Okay, never mind.
Oh,
What?
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 I know.
I was behind the fucking wall! Alright, let's try this shit again.
Yo, this is kind of gay.
This is kinda gay. Got this, bro.
Yo!
I got one! I got one! Lizzie, it's just
What kind of like, drugs are they on?
Exactly! Okay, guys. Sleepy, you're gonna be our drug dealer. Sleepy, go get us some drugs. We need some crack. Wait, let's just snipe him from up here. Since they're doing that shit.
I can't find
They're too good. They're too good.
Yo, kill one of them. Yo!
Yo.
I got 2 of them. I sniped 2 of them.
Yo! He's low. Please!
Help me. I got him.
Oh my god. I prayed for this day.
I'm so proud of myself.
Yo, I like headshot no-scoped one of them, bro.
Ooh.
Try to snipe. I dare you.
I sniped him.
Here, you snap me. They snapped me.
Ooh, I'm dead.
You got the sleeps.
The fuck? We got this. It's only a level 148.
Yo, why does that have the most kills out of all of them?
Because I sniped 3 of them last round.
That's actually valid.
What is it? Nah. What the fuck?
Yo, I made the best accomplishment of my life. I killed the 100.
Let's go.
Let's play
My
again.
Kissa said, so murder mystery, loudly crying.
Let's see how cooked we get.
Alright, guys. Who's ready for
My
this?
bracelets are not helping.
We might not be that cooked. Fuck! There's one inside. Sniped the shit out of him. Oh, he did. He
We're good.
sniped the shit out of him.
We all got a kill.
Yippee!
Because I sniped the one that was up top.
You're the sniper, I'm the knifer, and I don't know.
And then,
Oh, they have a sniper too.
yeah, they got a sniper.
You got this, Val. Oh, never mind.
What the fuck just happened?
I don't know, dog. I gotta tell you.
Well, I killed him at least.
Oh, that was a jump shot. Oh, I'm on a high right now. Do we need knifing skills in here?
Gotta get it.
There we go.
Oh,
Good.
I wanted that.
Hi, I kisser. Nice to meet you.
You kiss eyes?
What the fuck? Yeah, I'm not gonna try to go through that building again.
Oh, I just got sniped.
Yo! Shove that knife up your. I'm sorry.
Wait, the purple guy needs to get killed.
That's it.
Yeah, that's kind of how we won last time. I kind of jump shot him.
That's it, bro.
I Kisser said I'm on murder
Yo,
mystery.
he's on my ass. He's on my ass. He's on my ass.
Damn!
Guys.
Careful.
Careful. Yo, you were. That was a death trap right there.
That was, but I got
That
one.
was a death trap. Yeah.
I got one. We have 4-3-2. This guy is fucking 7 kills. Ooh. Come here. Come here. Good.
Ooh, please tell me I got him. Please tell me I got him. Please tell me I get him.
What? That is bullshit!
Yo.
Girl sniped me when she wasn't even, when she was in front of me and not looking at me.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's work together on this.
Okay.
All 3 of us go in the middle. Okay.
Damn!
How the fuck did I get knifed? How about you go?
Oh, I'm gonna get cooked. I'm gonna get cooked alive. I'm gonna get fried. I'm gonna get everything. But
Okay. Listen,
am
Moon,
I getting?
you guys go in the middle. I'm gonna go up top and try and sneak them.
I'm going where?
You 2 go in the middle. I'm gonna go upstairs and just bring him out. Bring him out.
Hey buddy, 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 hey buddy. Oh my god.
Holy shit, what is your ring?
Excuse me, what the fuck was that? He wasn't even near me. Nah,
You got sniped, bro. You got sniped.
bitch! Fuck this, my god. What are we on? I'm fine.
We're on some crap.
I'm gonna cry.
All right.